Hai jeng sai mangka eba source mangka je tinini 4 March 2023 election reza ribayoi BJP rok apply engai tabuk Tipra hastewo jeng nuk khaje Assam ni CM tai North East India ni engai convener NEDA ni Himanta Biswa sarma faikha Tipra wa MBB airport press rok Himanta Biswa sarma na question khaika je Tipra motha rok bo kabang ko kaham number no seat mangka hanei aro bo tamo saka no kisa sai khanarawan o video wo naitongdi paithak jora aro saka bo Tipra motha rok 10.30 saka hanei tribal rok ni welfare no teye saka Himanta Biswa sarma jeng Tipra motha rok bai kok sanai haifana Tipra no separate state khaya oi jeng resolve eba ka hamkrai tubna musungo tribal rok ni bagai hanei haifano o jaga wo bo saka je jeng greater Tipra land ni bagai le kok saya eba kai saimaya je step tubuna nangmani tribal rokni bagai hamkrai abo jeng center tei state government milawai ready hunai saka tini Himanta Biswa sarma oro jeng saimano je bobagrani demand separate state ya bobagrani demand gangga kaisa greater solution eba greater constitutional solution tubuna nango under article 2 and 3 abono bobagra barbar no boni interview rogo tei boni social media rogo boje video live ko khai phai sapai mani abono jeng barbar no khanai mano okay o jaga bokuni dino separate state saya kho okay jeng saimano je jeng tangge o constitutional solution den nang obo jeng saimano chin tribal ni existence ni bagai hingga jeng saimang ka je Himanta Biswa sarma to ready kok salainai ni bagai abono jeng tabuk jora faike jeng saimanai borok tamo discussion khalaika a constitutional solution no teye Tipra motha rok bai abo jeng jora faike jeng saimanai.
Winning the election, BJP, you have come here. How do you see the victory overall?
I think, as I told you, this was a great victory, reaffirmation of faith on Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The Karyakata of Tripura worked very hard. We are proud of them, and I think we owe a lot of our gratitude to the great people of Tripura.
Sir, Tipra mothas also came as a good number. Will there be, the talks will resume again?
Tripura Motha has raised certain issue regarding the welfare of the tribal people. Without dividing the state of Tripura, we are ready to sit down with them. We want to talk with them. We want to resolve the grievances of tribal people, but we cannot talk of greater Tripura land. Tripura will remain united. So within the greater Tripura, whatever needs to be talked, whatever needs to be addressed, both central government and state government will be ready. That is my view.
And Meghalaya, the things are fine, it will be so.
Yeah. So on 7 there will be vote. On 8 Tripura, 7 it will be in Meghalaya and Nagaland.
PM is coming?
We have invited.
You have invited. Sir, you have again targeted, yesterday I saw you tweet Rahul Gandhi on the Cambridge thing.
Already in tweet.